Turkish Aerospace has completed another two T129B Atak helicopters for the Philippine Air Force PAF. Meanwhile, production of the first batch of 32 S-70i Black Hawk helicopters is proceeding apace at Sikorsky's Polish subsidiary PZL Mielec. Turkey recently completed tests on the first two T129s, and the PAF has commenced acceptance tests. Their delivery to the Philippines by air is reportedly targeted for completion in 2023. These are the third and fourth examples from a 13.73 billion Philippine pesos $275.6 million order for 6 units placed in July 2020. The final pair of T129s could be handed over to the Philippines before the end of this year. Significantly, the PAF is considering buying additional T129Bs too. It has requested governmental funding for another 6 units, and negotiations with Turkey have commenced. However, any signing of a follow-on contract will depend upon the budget. In the previous year, the PAF stated that the T129B's first abutment was fully mission-capable in the 15th Strike Wing. They arrived in the Philippines last day. The PAF ordered a total of 32 S-70i combat utility helicopters for 32 billion Philippine pesos on the 22nd of February, and the first 3 have already been completed in Poland. Given the lack of large commercial aircraft after Russia's wanton invasion of Ukraine, it is unclear how they will be transported to the Philippines. Antonov Airlines previously delivered 16 S-70i helicopters to the Philippines via 124 flights. But the airline is busy serving the logistics needs of embattled Ukraine. Sikorsky is clearly on track with production, for it had promised to deliver the first 5 Black Hawks in 2023, 10 each in the following 2 years, and the final 7 units in 2026.